Hello friends. So in our last session, we had installed guest editions on a virtual machine. Now in this session, we'll create a shared folder and map it to our VM. So we'll open up VirtualBox Manager. So right click on this VM or else click on settings from here. Go to shared folders and click on this plus icon. Under folder path, choose other. Now this file explorer would open. So we need to select the folder which we want to keep as shared folder. So I'll choose downloads because all my files are here in the downloads folder. I'll select folder from here. Then you check this checkbox auto mount. So this will mount the shared folder to a virtual machine. So I'll click on OK now and click on OK again. That's it. Now let's start the virtual machine. So I'll log in with my username. Okay, now we'll see there are two icons over here. I'll drag this one to side. I'll eject the CD. So this is the guest edition CD which we had inserted. So I'll eject this one. Now this is the shared folder which we had mapped. Now we'll try accessing this shared folder. So you'll see it's asking for authentication. Okay, and it won't allow us to access it because we don't have permission to access the requested location. Now let's fix this part. We'll open up the terminal. We'll switch to root user. So the root user would have all the accesses. We'll type in the password. Now we need to type in this command usermod space -a space capital G space vboxsf space your username. Okay, so vboxsf is the group name and then you type in your username. So you are giving your user access to this group, or you can say that you are adding your user to this group. Now this is the group you need your user to be added in order for it to access any shared folder. So this is VirtualBox shared folder. So I'll click enter. Okay, now I'll exit from here. Okay, I'll exit again and we need to reboot our system. Okay, so I'll open up the terminal again and I'll type reboot and that's it. Okay, now I'll log in again. Now let's try accessing the shared folder again and we're able to access it. So it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thank you.